father's going to be very angry.
So is mine.
We've never been here at night.
No.
It's different from the day.
Yes. Are you frightened?
Yes. No. It's cold here. There's going to be a storm.
Oh, would you like my coat?
No, thank you. Matt? My hand is trembling.
Don't be afraid, please.
All right, I promise. Matt, take care of me. Teach me. I don't want to be awkward or afraid. I love you, Matt. I want there to be a happy ending.
I promise that there will be. Look,
What?
my hand's trembling too.
Hear how the wind begins to whisper. See how the leaves go streaming by. Smell how the velvet rain is falling. Out where the fields are warm and dry. Now is the time to run inside and stay. Now is the time to find a hideaway where we can stay.
Soon it's gonna rain, I can feel it. Soon it's gonna rain, I can tell. Soon it's gonna rain, what are we gonna do? Soon it's gonna rain, I can feel it. Soon it's gonna rain, I can tell. Soon it's gonna rain, what'll we do with you? We'll find 4 limbs on a tree, we'll build 4 walls and a floor, we'll wind it over with leaves and duck inside to stay. And we'll let it rain, we'll not feel it. And we'll let it rain, rain pell-mell. And we'll not complain if it never stops at all.
We'll live and love within our own four walls.
Would you like to be showed around the palace?
Yes, please.
The lookout tower?
The throne. And this, the family pride and joy, the ballroom.
My, how grand.
Princess,
Your Highness.
we'll find 4 limbs of a tree.